So this is just a quick video to show you how you can actually resolve single sideband on an old valve radio like this. And I'm sure a lot of you know this already, but this is just a quick one. So I have the signal generator out, and I did the RF alignment on shortwave because it was out quite a bit. But I have it spot on now. And then I said I'd medium wave, long wave is okay. There's no problem there. They're lining up grand, more or less. They're close enough. Check the IF. It's 470 and it's spot on. So I left that alone. But then I said, I'll tell you what, just for the crack, I left the generator, just the lead sitting beside the frequency changer. And I went up onto 40 meters and we're able to resolve single sideband with the signal generator just slightly offset of the IF. So it beats with the IF and then you're able to resolve single sideband. So we'll see what we can hear here now. This is easier said than done because the 40 meter band is about 2 millimeters scale on this thing. But and with a lovely strong signal there working a minute ago, and of course he's gone now as soon as you start to make the video. Easier said than done, but well, that chap's calling CQGX outside Europe, so he doesn't want to talk to me or whatever. You can see how it wobbles. Anyway, that's just a quick one on that. So I thought I'd give you a look at that. How to resolve single sideband on an L valve radio. Alright, take care. I hope you've enjoyed that. Lots more coming soon.